Professor Ito, thank you very much for being with us here today.
You're welcome.
Could you kindly share with us what are the best practices from Japan on crisis management and any relevant lesson that Japan offers to developing countries on crisis management?
Yes, Japan learned so much from the lessons of Kobe earthquake disaster. And we learned so much about the crisis management system of the government and local government structure and equipment. And we faced great East Japan earthquake disaster and tsunami. And we can manage the crisis because of the lessons of the Kobe earthquake disaster. So we can share these lessons with other countries, I think.
Thank you very much, Professor Ito.
You're welcome.